Students, in the last topic I have done with the functions, in which we have done with the function definition, whose syntax was the return type, function name, argument list, or you can say parameter list, and the body of the function, that is set of statements. So function definition, as I have already told you, is mean what the function will do. So the set of statements will tell what this particular function will do. This is the return type of the function, whose return type will matching with this value. It should match with this return type. Then there were three things. First was the function definition. Second was the function prototype. That is also called function declaration. In function prototype, the syntax is return type, function name, argument list, and semicolon, and it always comes before the main. It is same as that of function definition, only this semicolon is added without any body. Then comes the function calling. Means this prototype will tell the compiler that in this particular program this particular function will be contained. Now the function which is defined needs to be called. The syntax for the same is function name and arguments, semicolon. Sometimes you call this function within a particular variable. Then the value that will be returned by this function will be allotted to this variable. We have done the program for addition of two numbers using function. So I will write the program again. Syntax will be int this is called the function prototype. We'll start with the function void main. As you all know, for the addition we will be requiring three variables, two for the input and third for the output. Initially, you need to enter the variables from the keyboard. This is the syntax to input the variable from the keyboard. This is the input. Now add a comma b. This is the function calling. This is used to start a comment. Once the calling will be done, the control of the program will be transferred to the function definition. Before I write the code for the function definition, we need to print this addition also. this is ending of main. Now input part is done in the main and this calling is done in the main and the output is done in the main. Now we need to define this function that we called. Return type of this function is integer. Name of the function is the add. Arguments are the a comma b, but here I will take x and y, where x and y are the formal parameter. X and y are formal parameters, where a and b are the actual parameters. In the a and b are used in the function definition, that are the actual parameters. This z is the local variable. Z is equal to a plus b. Return z. Now this whole is called the function definition. Now you can see the processing of this program. It will start with the main. Input will be done. Then once this function calling came, the control of the program will transfer to the function definition. When it comes to the function definition, here the addition will be done. Sorry guys, here I have to use x and y. Whatever the value that is passed through a and b comes here and it will be get added and returned. Once the return statement will come, again the control will be transferred to the main, that is C. So if you suppose you have entered 4 and 6, 4 and 6 will be passed through a and b, which gets copy in x and y. 4 plus 5, 9. So 9 will be returned by z to the C. So what will be printed? Addition is 9, that is C. So this was about the function introduction, in which I have covered the 3 topics: function definition, function prototype, function calling, and the program to add 2 functions. Thank you. Next we will start with the call by value and call by reference.